Rubbish. Well, I'm complaining now.
Cranes are airy-fairy things. They need a lot of attention, like me, in fact.
Ah! Help! I can't! Oh,
It's a little green goblin on wheels. Despicable. Ha!
Toodle.
Rotten roads. Ha! What a boring view. Sick? Me? Never. What happened? Help me, please. Bother.
I'll try, sir. I'm hot.
Bother. Bother.
That's all I can do.
Help! Bother. 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 Rubbish. It's been like this all day. Ha! Rubbish.
Oh, please. Your color's nice, James. Pity about your face, though.
Oh, help! Go away! Ha! Ha! Silence! Ha! 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 Oh! Ha! Ha! I'm the greatest! Get out of my way!
Percy's been put upon, put upon, put upon. Percy's been put upon, poor old Percy.
Silence.
Oh no! On! Faster! Faster!
Stupid bird. Ghosts!
Stop! Stop! I tried to warn you about the viaduct. Why didn't you pay attention? Slime! Snot! Slime! Snot!
Bill and Ben, behave yourselves.
Oh, my grease and oil. Oh, what's that?
Oh no!
Come on! Push harder, you silly diesel!
Oh, Pa! Oh no! Bye-bye, Stepney. Yes.
Oh, yes! Why not?
Phew.
What's the matter now?
Pa! Ha! What?
Oh, yes.
Pa! Oh, help! Ha!
Despicable. Disgusting. Whirlybird.
Pa!
Will Gordon be scrapped, sir?
Quite so, Mr. Oliver. Oh, yes, of course.
Look!
Those coaches are old and uncomfortable. What was that? Yes, sir. Jolly good idea, sir. Oh, botheration.
We're stuck.
This is the life, isn't it, my dear? My!
Percy, green and small, he's no use to us at all. Around the yards he'll puff and blow, but on the hills he's oh so slow.
Toodle peep! Surprise, surprise! Catch us if you can! Oh, no! Oh, please! Ha!
Oh, how lovely! Hey.
Oh! I could be a leader if you know what I mean. Help! Save me! Help! Help! No! Rubbish!
No! Oh no!
Help!
Hurry! Oh no! Heading straight for me!
Ha!
Break it! Snap it!
Avalanche!
Well?
Oh no! Help! Ha!
Moaned Gordon from within, and then fell as silent as the snow.
Yo ho ho and a bucket of prawns, the tiller spins and the captain yawns. Here we go, here we go, here we go. No we don't, no we don't, no we don't.
This makes my chain ache.
Vroom vroom. Faster we go, pull 'em along, don't let 'em slow. Help!
Oi there, Cranky. Where have you been, Snap?
And a good day to you too, Captain.
I'm not.
'Twas in the middle of a wee naughty storm. Whoops. You're gonna get into trouble.
I can't take any more. That's what friends are for. Well, the mail must arrive on time. Just get someone to pull me out of this haystack.
Do you mind? I'm trying to sleep. No! Oh no! Oops! Jack, careful, Bumble Bucket. Sorry.
Jack!
Thomas! Cinders and ashes! Welcome to the pack, Jack!
Bouncing buffers! My plow is broken! Cinders and ashes!
Stop!
Stop being pushy, Doc. Don't call me pushy. You shouldn't have pushed me into the cart. You pulled me, you mean. Didn't. Did. Did not. Did too.
Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger.
Push us all, that's the longest. Push us all, you'll be the strongest.
Heave ho, you can pull, but we won't go. Grease and oil. Ooh, spooky. Something's got me. He's after me! What was that? Oh, bother. Little green piggy in the middle. Help! You have caused confusion and delay. Little red piggy in the middle.
What is that? Why, it's a floating basket with folks in it.
We're out of hot air! Ah! What's happening?
Rubbish.
Hello, James?
Dingy fried?
Oh, help! On. Oh, no. Yuck.
Will you two stop being crab pots?
Shit. Dude, no! Bust my buffers.
Bitter cold, bitter cold, bitter cold.
My phone lines are down.
I tried my hardest.
You made it. She's a coloratura. A mouse!
I can't possibly travel in coaches riddled with mice.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Bye, Gordon. Duck should play with other ducks because he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 quack. Hold back. Bossy boots, pushy puffer.
Bouncing bogeys. Ow! Glug, glug, glug.
What a waste of time.
Bah! I need to whistle louder and longer next time.
Stop that nonsense, Duncan. Leave it to me. Whistle, Scarloey. You really did well to deliver your goods without a whistle, he
Do you
said.
think so?
Or an organ.